In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change screen resolution. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display. Then scroll down again and finally hit Screen Resolution over here. Now it's time to tap on the best option for you. And when you finished, hit Apply to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, screen resolution of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!